Hanap mo rin ba affordable house and lot in Las Piñas City na pwede mong malipatan agad-agad at walang down payment? Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido for another Las Piñas Project House Tour. Tara, samahan niyo ako at pasukin natin to. And yes, you heard it right, naka-zero down payment promo tayo for this unit at basta approve ka na ng bangko, pwede mo na itong malipatan. Ang ganda ng unit na to kasi may minimum lot area ka na 120 square meters at ang floor area mo ay 150 square meters na din. What you see in this house tour video is the actual turnover na kasi nag-iisang unit na lang to na available. And ito nga, meron kang spacious living, dining, and kitchen area. May one toilet and bath ka na rin. And itong kitchen mo, kasama na rin yung mga built-in cabinets natin. And of course, meron ka rin maid's quarter. And ito na rin yung pinaka-actual deliverable natin. At ang kagandahan nga dito, dahil duplex unit to, meron kang extra space sa right side ng unit mo. And this gonna be your service area and also laundry space. Nagustuhan ko nga rin dito kasi mataas na rin ang bakod mo. This is located in Talon 5, Las Piñas City at napakalapit nito sa mga major establishment essential for a growing family. And upon reaching the second floor, meron ka na ring 3 other bedrooms kasama na dyan yung master's bedroom and meron ka pang 2 toilet and bath, 1 in the master's bedroom. Ganda nga ng unit na to kasi napakaluwag ng mga kwarto at syempre kasama na rin ang mga built-in cabinets natin. And again, what you see in this house tour video is the actual turnover na ng unit natin. Yan naman siguradong wala ka nang ipapagawa at lilipatan mo na lang to talaga. Meron ka palang provision for 2 carport and of course kasama na rin dyan yung pocket garden and this is inside a gated community as well. And yes, this unit is available for cash payment or bank financing and package price starts at 9.5 million pesos only. Las Piñas na ang location mo for that price kaya napaka-affordable na talaga nito. 50,000 lang ang reservation for you to secure the unit and the rest can be loanable through bank financing and of course, this is gonna be your master's bedroom with own toilet and bath at meron ka ring sariling balcony. O paano, ito na rin ba ang future house mo? Tara, tripping na tayo at huwag mo nang palagpasin ang promo natin. Link in bio or call or message us in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number. See you soon at paalam!